Hello everybody, it's nice to see you guys again. Today is my birthday, and I'm now 16 years old. It's been more than a year since my first Forsaken animation, and even with all of the drama and controversies that game is going through, I have to admit that without it, I would be nowhere near where I am today. And without such a little audience, I would have nothing left to showcase. So with that being said, thank you Forsaken, thank you audience, and thank you everybody for the support. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.